Good morning, Dr. Usha, Akhila, Divyesh, and the team from Ananthkumar Prathishtana. So this is an event which is jointly organized by the Department of Management Studies and Research Center along with Institute Social Responsibility Cell. Institute of Social Responsibility Cell was started in BMS about 6 months ago. It's a very small cell. Similar to what we have in industry as corporate social responsibility, we wanted to have a cell which works basically on the societal activities. So I'm leading that from BMS, and in that context, I got very well connected to Dr. Tejaswini Ananthkumar, who is the founder of Adamya Chetana Foundation. And with her help and with her support, we were able to conceive this event today. So at the outset, I would like to thank Ananthkumar sir and Tejaswini Ananthkumar ma'am for helping us to have this particular event. Okay, so today we have Dr. Usha Satish. She is going to talk to you about the entrepreneurship and the leadership skills that you will have to possess. So on behalf of the management staff, students of the BMS College of Engineering, I extend a hearty welcome to Dr. Usha Satish. And may I request Minu ma'am to welcome her with a floral bouquet. Thank you, Usha ma'am, for accepting our invitation and sharing your experience and knowledge with our students. Thank you. I would like to welcome Akhila, junior leader and inspiration to all of you. Akhila, please do come in. I would request Satyanandini ma'am to welcome Akhila with a floral bouquet. I think she will stand as a role model to all of you here. Very young, energetic and highly talented. Thank you. I would like to welcome Divyesh, who is with us today, and the team from Ananthkumar Prathishtana. I also would like to welcome the head and the faculty of the MBA department and all the students. Without you, no event can be successful. You are the backbone of our institution. So a warm welcome to all of you. And I would also like to thank the MBA department for organizing this event within a very, very short time. You know, we were able to get the profile, the details of Usha ma'am and Akhila just late in the night yesterday. And today we are here in the auditorium, so a big round of applause to the MBA department for coordinating. So we will, without much further ado, I will hand over the dais to further course of action that's going to happen here. I would call upon Divyesh to talk to us about Ananthkumar Prathishtana, which we are all very eager to hear from you. Welcome.
Thank you and good morning to all of you. Before I start and tell you something about Ananthkumar Prathishtana, I want to just share my experience with a pattern which I see in a lot of places where I go and get accustomed to the students and to their lectures. I teach in National Law School, Bangalore. My students usually start from the third, fourth, fifth row. The first two rows have something magical, nobody sits on that. I go and take lectures in many, many institutions. That pattern follows. You know, I was not surprised. I was surprised when I went to take lecture of the teachers of St. John's College, and I saw the same pattern is followed by the teachers. They also start sitting from the third row onwards. So here also I see the first two rows empty. I was not surprised, but it would always be better if you start from the first row. That's my humble suggestion. Now, most of you are aware of the Ananthkumar part of Ananthkumar Prathishtana. He was a member of parliament from Bengaluru 6 times, continuously, re-elected 5 times. He was a former union minister in Vajpayee government and also in the Modi government. And more than anything, whatever positions he had, he was a visionary par excellence. Like, he used to envision things even before people used to think about it. And you know, I'm a lawyer by profession. I just don't make random remarks. I have facts to prove my statement. Now, most of you know that there is a wave of politicians using e-vehicles, driving electronic vehicles, like Reva and other brands that I don't know. But Ananthkumar was the leader who purchased an e-vehicle much before any world leader has purchased. Like, if you give a guess, what do you think in which year he has purchased the e-vehicle? 2000? 2016? 16? 2006? It's 16 years back. Think before you speak. Like, think of 2006 and think of an e-vehicle. He purchased an e-vehicle in 2002. And I have not seen, till today, I have not seen an older model of Reva. But I was crossing your basement, I saw a Reva, I think, which might be older than Ananthkumar's Reva. It's in your parking, where the tires are put up. So Ananthkumar was a visionary. And leadership and management has a very thin line of difference. And one such difference is envisioning things. A leader envisions. And a leader has one trait. A leader knows the way, a leader goes the way, and a leader shows the way. Remember, a leader has three qualities. If anyone is missing, he is not a leader. Unfortunately, with Ananthkumar Ji, what happened is, we lost him because of certain terminal disease. In 2018, we lost Mr. Ananthkumar, but before he passed away, he shared his vision, what he thought about training future leaders. And that's the core of Ananthkumar Prathishtana. At Ananthkumar Prathishtana, what we are going to do, we are going to take the vision of Ananthkumar forward by setting up a leadership institute and doing things what he visioned, doing things what he could have done. Unfortunately, we can't do at what scale he could have done, but we are moving in that direction. And for the same, Ananthkumar Prathishtana was set up in 2018, and it is going to establish a leadership institute where we are going to train future leaders. And in pursuance of that objective, we have with us Professor Usha Satish and Akhila Satish to deliver a lecture, a talk on what is it meant to be an entrepreneur, meant to be a top level private leader and a public leader. So without any delay, I will call upon to ma'am to further take the program forward. Thank you very much.